everyone, welcome back to Daily English Skills. I'm Mr. P.
And I'm Jenny, and today we've got something really special for you.
That's right, we're diving into real English conversations, the kind of English you actually hear in daily life, not just in textbooks.
If you've ever felt confused when native speakers talk, or if you understand English grammar but struggle with listening, this episode is for you.
So grab your headphones, get comfortable, and let's improve your listening skills together. And hey, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an episode.
Let's jump right in.
All right, Jenny, let's start with the big question. Why do so many English learners struggle with listening?
Great question. I think it's because most learners practice with slow, clear audio from textbooks. But in real life, people speak fast. They use slang, they blend words together.
Exactly. It's like training for a marathon by only walking. You need to practice with the real thing.
Perfect analogy. So today, we're going to break down 3 common real-life situations. We'll speak naturally, then we'll slow down and explain what happened.
And we want you to listen actively. Don't worry if you don't catch everything the first time. That's totally normal.
Mr. P, should we give them a quick tip before we start?
Absolutely. Here's your first listening tip. Don't try to translate every single word in your head. Instead, listen for keywords and context. Your brain will fill in the gaps.
Love it. Okay, let's get into our first conversation.
All right, imagine you're at a busy coffee shop. Listen to this exchange between a customer and a barista. Hey, could I get a large latte to go? Actually, make that 2. I'm going to need the extra caffeine today.
Sure thing. You want regular milk or would you like oat milk? It's really popular.
Oat milk sounds good. Oh, and throw in a blueberry muffin if you've got any left.
You're in luck. We've got one more. That'll be $12.50. Tap or card?
I'll tap. Thanks. Pause.
Okay, let's break this down. Did you catch everything?
Let's replay some key phrases. First, could I get a large latte to go? What does to go mean?
It means you want takeaway, not to drink it there. In British English, you might say takeaway, but in American English, we say to go.
Next phrase, I'm gonna need the extra caffeine. Notice how I said gonna, not going to?
Yes, native speakers almost always say gonna in casual conversation. It's faster and more natural.
And when I said throw in a blueberry muffin, that means add or include. It's a super casual way to ask for something extra.
And finally, you're in luck. This is a friendly way to say good timing or fortunately for you.
Great breakdown. Now, listeners, try to repeat those phrases out loud. Don't be shy.
Ready for conversation number 2? This time, it's 2 friends meeting up after a while.
Jenny, long time no see. Have you been?
I know, right? It's been ages. I've been swamped with work lately. How about you?
Same here, honestly. But hey, we should grab lunch sometime soon. Catch up properly.
That sounds perfect. Let me know when you're free and we'll figure something out.
Will do. I'll shoot you a text this week. Pause. All right, there were so many natural expressions in there.
Let's start with long time no see. This is a super common greeting when you haven't seen someone for a while. It's informal and friendly.
Then I said, have you been? Not how have you been? We connect those words, have.
And I said, it's been ages. This means it's been a very long time. You can also say, it's been forever.
Great point. Now, I've been swamped means I've been extremely busy. Imagine being underwater. That's how busy you feel.
Such a vivid expression. And then you said grab lunch, not eat lunch or have lunch, but grab lunch. It's casual and quick.
Exactly. And catch up means to talk and share what's been happening in your lives.
Finally, shoot you a text is a casual way to say send you a message. Native speakers love the verb shoot for this.
I bet some of you didn't catch all of those phrases the first time, and that's okay. Rewind and listen again. That's how you improve.
Okay, this last one is a bit trickier. It's a phone conversation, and we're going to speak at full natural speed.
Phone conversations are tough because you can't see facial expressions or body language. Ready? Here we go.
Hello?
Hey, Jenny, it's me. Listen, I'm running a bit late. Traffic's crazy. Mind if I push our meeting back by 15 minutes?
Oh, no worries at all. Actually, that works out better for me too. I'm just wrapping up something.
Perfect. See you at 3:15 then?
Sounds good. See you soon.
All right, bye. Pause.
Okay, that was fast. Let's slow it down.
First expression, I'm running late. This means I'm gonna be late or I'm behind schedule.
And you said traffic's crazy, a common way to explain why you're late. You could also say traffic is terrible or there's a lot of traffic.
Then I asked, mind if I push our meeting back? Mind if is a polite way to ask for permission, and push back means to reschedule for a later time.
When I said no worries at all, I was saying it's not a problem or don't worry about it. Super casual and friendly.
And wrapping up something means finishing something, like wrapping a gift. You're almost done.
Finally, sounds good is one of the most common responses in English. It means I agree or that works for me.
These phrases come up all the time in everyday English.
All right, everyone. We've covered 3 real conversations today. Let's talk about how you can practice this at home.
Tip number 1, listen to English content every day. Even just 10 minutes makes a huge difference.
Yes, and it doesn't have to be study material. Watch YouTube videos, listen to podcasts, watch TV shows in English.
Tip number 2, don't be afraid to rewind and listen multiple times. That's what this content is for.
Exactly. Professional listeners, translators, interpreters, they listen to things multiple times. You should too.
Tip number 3, shadow native speakers. That means listen to a sentence, pause, and repeat it out loud with the same rhythm and pronunciation.
Shadowing is amazing for improving both listening and speaking. You train your mouth and your ears at the same time.
And here's a bonus tip. Change your phone's language to English. Think in English, even talk to yourself in English.
Yes, immerse yourself as much as possible.
And remember, understanding real conversations takes time. Be patient with yourself.
Progress, not perfection.
All right, friends, that's it for today's episode.
We hope you learned some useful phrases and improved your listening skills.
Now it's your turn. Go back and listen to those 3 conversations again. Try to repeat them out loud.
And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps other learners find us.
Don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Skills and hit that notification bell so you never miss a lesson.
Drop a comment below and tell us which conversation was the hardest for you, or share a phrase you learned today.
We love hearing from you. Your feedback helps us create better content.
Until next time, keep practicing, stay motivated.
And keep speaking English. Bye, everyone.
See you in the next video.